my video. So today we're going to do a pantry organization, and as you guys can see, my pantry is a hot mess. There is stuff everywhere. I recently bought a lot of groceries, and so I'm trying to find a place for everything. And our pantry is kind of small, which I don't mind because we don't buy a lot of food. We just have a lot of snacks, but it just needs to be organized because it is so small. So I did buy some things that we're going to add into the pantry to kind of reorganize it, make it a bit more functional. I do have baskets and stuff in there, but as you guys can see, I did take like some other food containers to make baskets because I'm just trying to figure it all out. But today we're going to figure it out together and we're going to organize the pantry. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to remove everything out of the pantry and just sit it on the counter over here so we can see what we have, and then we're going to regroup everything by food and jars, cans, or whatever, and then put it back in there based on like how often I reach for it or whatever. And yeah, so let's just start because it's a lot of food in here. So me and my sister finally got everything out the pantry. I'm going to show you guys all this food that was in here. And my sister said it's not that bad. It's bad. Like, I can't believe all this fit in this tiny old pantry. But now we're going to go ahead and wipe the shelves down and refill some of the containers. I bought new containers, so I have to quickly kind of clean those out, fill those up, and organize the pantry. So let me show you guys how we're gonna reorganize this pantry. So I'm gonna clean the shelves off with a multi-purpose cleaner, and this helps release grease or grime, but it's also good for the planet and it's good for our environment and for the kids because we're putting food. You wanna make sure you have something that's okay with food. I'm just gonna spray the shelves down, wipe it down with a microfiber towel, then we'll clean all the other stuff. Okay guys, so I had to resort to a voiceover because the kids are being loud. So what we're doing is refilling all the containers, and we cleaned out some of the old containers and putting new things in. So we're basically just refilling everything before we add it back into the pantry and getting rid of all the plastic bags and all the paper boxes. You look stressed out. You look stressed out, bruh. So before I officially add everything in, I was just kind of placing stuff in to see how I like it. And then my sister was coming to help me, and we were just trying to figure it all out because it was a lot of stuff. So then we're gonna go in and just add everything back into the pantry. The easiest way to just start doing this is literally to start doing it. just start adding stuff to the pantry and start adding the containers where you want them to go, because once you start adding things, everything goes smoothly. So just start adding everything back into the pantry and kind of rearranging. And it's going to take some time, but I rearranged everything based how I want it to look and what was more accessible for me, because I use certain things more than others. So I was just basically going through and making sure that the girls can reach their snacks and I can reach the things that I normally grab on a daily basis, and just put everything else higher up that I wasn't using on a daily basis. So that's pretty much the process I use. Really easy, really simple, and it took a while, but we got it. Alright guys, so here is the reveal of my pantry. It looks so much better. Everything has a place. There's jars, there's containers, there's baskets, and everything fits nice and organized. The girls can come and get their snacks. I can find every jar of sauce and spice and mixture. I really love it, and the canned goods are like hidden but not hidden, and everything looks so pretty. It's so pretty. My sister did a good job. We both tackled this pantry, and once you guys get to see the overview, you couldn't believe that all of that food fit back into here with these containers. And my number one tip is to just take things out of the containers. We have so much trash over here because we took everything out of boxes and plastic, and we're going to recycle all of it. So that was my tip for you guys to take home and reorganize your pantry. So I hope you guys enjoyed my pantry organize redo video, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.